Are you tired of constantly buying vegetables from the store? Well, stop right there. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible method to grow your own fresh, delicious vegetables using simple plastic barrels. And trust me, this method is not just easy, but it's super productive.
First off, why plastic barrels? These containers are durable, space-saving, and allow you to control soil quality, drainage, and sunlight exposure, all of which are key for getting the most out of your plants. Step 1, you'll need to make drainage holes at the bottom of your barrels to prevent waterlogging. Using a drill, make several small holes evenly spaced. Good drainage is crucial to avoid root rot and other problems. Step 2, fill your barrel with high-quality potting soil. You can also mix in compost to give your plants a nutrient-rich start. Now, the exciting part, choosing what to grow. Vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, leafy greens, and even root veggies like carrots thrive in plastic barrels. Each plant has its own needs, but in general, barrels offer plenty of space for root growth and nutrient absorption. When planting, space your seedlings adequately to give each plant room to grow. For tall plants like tomatoes, insert a support stick or trellis early on. Watering is key. Since barrels can dry out quicker than ground soil, make sure to water regularly. You can even use a drip irrigation system for hands-free care.
Tip water consistently, but avoid overwatering. The soil should feel moist, not soggy.
To get those big healthy vegetables, fertilizing is essential. Use an organic fertilizer every few weeks, especially for heavy feeders like tomatoes and peppers. The results? You'll have a thriving, productive vegetable garden in no time. And now for the best part, harvesting. These barrels make it so easy to grow an abundance of food in a small space. Imagine fresh veggies right from your backyard or patio without ever stepping into a grocery store. So what are you waiting for? Get yourself a few plastic barrels and start growing your own vegetables today. Trust me, once you see the results, you'll wonder why you ever bought store-bought veggies in the first place.
Text on screen, stop buying vegetables, start growing them instead.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow garden enthusiasts. See you next time with more gardening tips and tricks.
End screen with channel logo and a call to action for subscribing.